Today, as a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat, Swayambhur Goa, so we had conducted a awareness drive on the disaster management. So various line departments were called like PWD, police, fire, then the municipalities, local panchayats, and various on various topics we have given awareness drive like landslide, then the roles and responsibility of various authorities that are involved in disaster management, and also the fire officer has given a presentation on the basic fire safety.
Awareness drive with respect to disaster management was conducted as per the direction of State Disaster Management Authority. So, wherein I had presented a PowerPoint presentation about the salient features of National Disaster Management Act, which has been enacted by the central government. And I had disseminated the information about rules and responsibilities of all the line departments, government departments, the rules and responsibility of the district collector, the deputy collector, the mamledars, and the fire officers when the disaster actually occurs. So mostly the general public, laymen are not aware of the provisions of the Disaster Management Act 2005. So this drive was beneficial to the general public because now they are aware about the provisions of the National Disaster Management Act, and it will help the general public during the disasters when it actually occurs.